Hi, I'm Stacey. I'm a relationship therapist and I'm also specialised in attachment-based therapy. And today I want to talk about something that sits at the heart of every meaningful relationship, and that's rupture and repair. We all experience moments of disconnection with the people that we love. A misunderstanding, a hurtful comment, or a moment of silence when someone really needed us to speak. These moments are what we call ruptures. They can be small and subtle or big and painful, but what matters most isn't whether ruptures happen, it's what we do next. A rupture is essentially a break in connection. It might be emotional distance after an argument, a feeling of rejection, or that moment when trust starts to crack. And it happens in every relationship, whether that's romantic, parental, friendships, and even in therapy. In attachment terms, it's a threat to our sense of safety with another person. For example, a child cries out and no one comes. A partner shuts down during conflict. A friend doesn't text back for days when we're going through a tough time. These moments may hurt because connection matters to us. They activate our attachment system. They make us feel alone, unseen, or even abandoned. So why is repair so important? It's not the rupture that harms the relationship. It's the absence of repair. When we leave these moments unresolved, a few things tend to happen. Mistrust builds quietly. Unspoken resentments begin to fester and can grow bigger from that. Emotional distance becomes the new normal. And over time, even strong relationships begin to feel fragile or unsafe. But when we repair, when we come back to say, that didn't feel good, can we talk about it? Or, I can see how I hurt you and I want to understand. We send a powerful message that you matter. This relationship matters and I care enough to work through this. In secure relationships, repair is what builds resilience. It can deepen trust. It shows that we can be imperfect and still feel safe with each other. Let's talk about what happens when we don't repair. For individuals with attachment wounds, especially those with anxious, avoidant or disorganised patterns, unrepaired ruptures confirm old fears, such as I'm too much, no one ever stays, or it's safer to shut down. In couples, a lack of repair often leads to cycles of blame, defensiveness, and emotional withdrawal. You may find that the same argument happens over and over, not because of what was said, but because of what was never healed. When we avoid hard conversations, we often trade short-term comfort for long-term disconnection. And this is where therapy can be such a powerful space, whether you're coming as an individual or as a couple. In individual therapy, we explore your own attachment history. So those early experiences that shaped how you handle conflict, how you reach for others, or how you protect yourself. We look at how past ruptures, especially the ones that were never repaired, might still be echoing in your present relationships. In relationship therapy, we help both partners understand the cycle that you may get caught in. And it's not about blaming, it's about mapping the pattern. We can slow things down, we practice what repair might sound like, and we build a safer emotional environment where both people feel heard, seen and valued. Every relationship has ruptures. Healthy relationships repair, and meaningful relationships learn how to repair again and again. This doesn't mean having the perfect words. It means being willing to stay in connection even when it's uncomfortable. It means saying, I got that wrong and I care enough to try again. If you find yourself stuck in a pattern of silence, withdrawal, blame or emotional distance, you are not alone. You just might be missing the repair. Therapy can give you the space, the language and the support to start repairing, both with others and with yourself. So if you're feeling the effects of ruptures in your relationship, or you feel you're carrying old ones from long ago, please know it's not too late to heal. Repair is possible, and it starts with small, brave steps towards connection. If you'd like to explore this further, we're at Horizon. You can book an initial consultation by calling 01752 221119. Thanks so much for listening, and remember, it's not about avoiding rupture, it's learning how to repair.